Are you ready for an emergency? I don't think anyone is fully ready for an emergency, but there are many steps that we can take to make sure that an emergency doesn't hog more of our life than necessary. Emergencies are not a what-if situation necessarily. They're more of a when is a medical emergency, a maintenance emergency, or a weather emergency going to show up in the places where we live, work, and play. I'm Nora Rhoades, and I am the Kansas State Research and Extension Family and Youth Development Agent in the Post Rock Extension District in North Central Kansas, and we are bringing you in the Post Rock District Preparedness Week. And so this week we are going to be meeting with community members and people and talk through different strategies and resources that we can utilize, that you can utilize to help us plan, prepare, and practice for these emergency situations that, like I mentioned, are not a matter of if they show up in our lives, when they show up in our lives. And no one has time for emergencies, so we are going to make sure that our preparedness strategies can help us effectively work through those situations so that we can get on to the parts of our lives that we really truly want to spend time focused on.